Okay, Vivaan, are you ready to do it?
Yes.
Okay, let's do it.
See up. I know it's gonna end up like it.
I don't know. Okay, let's see.
It is gonna.
Okay.
I know what I'm doing. It's still a bit bumpy. Is that okay? See?
How did you read the instruction first?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do the next one.
That's how I was doing that.
Okay, great. Let's do the next one.
Oh, this is a tough one.
It's not the tough one. Actually, this is the third. This is the next one. Yeah.
Okay.
Go. Two up. Okay, perfect.
One there. One there. One there. One left. Three left. What is this shape?
You cannot say everything has a name, but it's like an incomplete square. If you have this portion also, it's gonna be a complete square. But yeah, it's a great design that you've made.
Can we like connect it?
Not now. It's not a connecting activity game. You have another one to finish first. Okay.
Two more.
Yeah, you already did the first one pretty quick, so you have this one now. Let's do it.
Okay.
Let's do it.
Three light. One light. Two light. Three light.
Yeah, do it. No, don't worry.
Two up. One, two.
Okay.
And now almost one down.
Sorry, are you reading?
Up three. One left. One down.
Good job.
Two left. One down.
What does it look like?
I don't know.
To me, it looks like a bed. But yeah, they were supposed to be different shapes. So you've created one. Thank you.